Hey tech lovers, today I've got an amazing deal for you, the Joyroom magnetic case for iPhone 16 and 15 series. If you're looking for a sleek, protective, and crystal clear case that works perfectly with wireless charging, you'll want to stick around. This Joyroom magnetic case is anti-yellow, ultra-clear, and designed to show off the original beauty of your iPhone. It's made from high-quality PC material, giving you both style and durability. With 38 strong magnets built in, it automatically aligns with your wireless charger for fast, hassle-free charging. No more fiddling to get that perfect charging position. Plus, it's got military-grade drop protection with shock-absorbing guard corners, protecting your phone from everyday drops. The 3.9mm raised camera edge and 1.9mm raised screen edge give you extra peace of mind. And it's super slim, just 0.04 inches, so it slips right into your pocket without bulk. The best part? It's on sale right now for only $8.56. Down from $9.83. That's 13% off. Click the link in the description below to grab yours today and protect your phone in style. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews and deals. See you in the next video.